Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you are okay. Guys, I'm not trying to be usatane lana. I'm not trying to be imene. Let me not say I'm not happy. Let me just say I'm not comfortable the way peace eyenzeka ngakhona between Ungizo noPhakela Mthakathi. I'm not comfortable at all. I have some reasons of saying that. But let's watch this video first, then we'll discuss it. Let's continue this video until the end so that we'll discuss and you will hear my side of the story about this peace that is happening between Ungizo and Phakela Mthakathi. So please watch the video till the end so that you'll understand me very well.
Kodwa akekho umuntu ongamala phambi kwami njengoba ngingazange esikomendo akekho umuntu ongamaphambi kwami njengoba ngifundisa ngisho amakhansela ANC yakhona njengomuntu ozile ifanele isimo sabathi iphathe akayiphatheki no ngifuna ukuphatha pero mina ngakuphatha ungazilutho mina ngiyazi ngoba ngiyobela kanjalo sokuthi ungaphathwa njengomuntu ngoba ngiyinsizwa ngingaka njengoba mina ngumkhephehleli ngiphathwa umfundisi mina nje umfundisi angiphatha ngithini.
So guys, I'm sorry about the sound of this video because even myself, I don't know what they are talking about. The video just came like this, but I'll try to get the full video. But the reason for me to play this video, it's not about what they are saying in this video. As I said, guys, I'm not comfortable because even a child can see what's a la. Kuyapretendwa kwenzelwa thina. It's not like I don't want them to have peace. To have peace, it's okay. Peace is what we want. Peace is very important. We all want peace. It's okay if behlangana bebingelelana, greeting each other as brothers, as Amazulu. So to me, I think for the sake of safety kaPhakela Mthakathi, it's not a good idea for them to go back to where they were before. No, I don't think it's a good idea for them to go back to that relationship they had before. It's dangerous, especially for Phakela Mthakathi. Ungizwe uzibonisile ukuthi umuntu onjani and vele sonke siyamazi. I'm sorry to say this because some people you see on a comment section, some people fighting for him, but it's true. We know him. Even ama politicians ayamazi Ungizwe because they've been paying him. Naye futhi uyakwazi lokho bengakufihli ukuthi behamba nabo malema bemnika imali bemenzisa izinto. If befuna ukwenza lezi zinto zabo zobunyoka vele bebesebenzisa yena. So nje namanje, that is why I don't feel comfortable ukuthi bangaxolelana. And another thing engenze ukuthi ngingabe comfortable ukuthi why Jacinta is not here for three of them to make peace. I'm asking this question because ever since this thing lo mzabalazo uqalile bebebizwa ngokuthi three of them. Bebebizwa ngokuthi uJacinta, uPhakela Mthakathi, Ungizwe. So now we know ukuthi kwenzakaleni kube nokuxabana nani kwaba nama misunderstanding. And even before, the complaint was why uJacinta was not there. We meeting no Ramaphosa. On top of the problem we are creating more problems because Jacinta was supposed to be here. Whoever that arranged this meeting to make peace between Ungizwe and Phakela Mthakathi was supposed to call Jacinta as well. Jacinta was supposed to be there in that meeting because this thing is about three of them. Like before, Jacinta would come and say, I just saw it on social media platforms. Exactly the same way ebabona beno Ramaphosa laphayana, just like all of us. So you see what that thing alone, it creates another problem, it creates another picture. But let's continue, guys.
So kichimibele itelatini kodwa hayi ukungena mphumela hayi ufuna ukubukwa nje yabo ukhuluma into engenangqondo.
So ngifuna ungitsheleke ukuthi if wena ucabanga Ungizwe uzoyeka ukukhuluma kanje because la on this video just few days ago Ngizwe was speaking like this about uPhakela Mthakathi no Jacinta. So tell me ukuthi Ungizwe the way ekhuluma ngakhona, the way ethanda ukukhuluma ngakhona, you think he will stop criticizing? You think he will stop criticizing and bullying uPhakela Mthakathi no Jacinta? We know Ungizwe akamind ukuthuka i-politician for the whole year. Elokhu ehleli nje kumuntu oyedwa emthuka each and every day. Noma bengamthreatenisha kanjani bamthembisa ukumbopha akamind. So who is uPhakela Mthakathi noJacinta? So mina kimi nje this meeting or this peacemaking meeting is going to create more problems for us. It's going to cause more damage.
Uqhamuke ukhuluma izinto ke usola abantu ungakazi usho ukuthi ngiyabonga. Ke ubanjelwe ilete ukhuphuka uyophezulu emva kwalokho uyalihlahlela uthi injalo ngoba usuphezulu uzokuyiboneke londindo ndini ukuthi ke kunjani futhi make babheda zobuya ngizobathela mina ngiyacelana yakhala manje kubeka siphathe kahle singazoni singoniwa engeke silahlana ngishiyani mina endleleni angishiyani endleleni ngeke ngisikhahlele mina istepisi awuphakela yami ngiyakuthanda hey selu samphethe kodwa sasingasho siwashezwa
ngiyabingelela ebusuku umzimba Khalimalo obingelelayo webafowethu leyo khiphelana indaba ngeke iphethe kahle lena yanitshela mina yabo leyo khiphelana indaba ku Facebook nakuma podcast ngeke iphethe kahle le asikho isidingo yabo lento eniyenzayo nje ungakhuli le ukuthi ngoba nakho sibani ukhipha indaba ngabe nihlala phansi nilungisa izinto iyekeni lento ngeke iphethe kahle le ngiyanikhuza mina sithembele kini iyekeni lento eniyenzayo ngihlale ngikhuluma kanjena nginganawo hayi umzimba Khalimalo ukuthi iyekeni lento ngeke iphethe kahle le leyo khiphelana indaba hayi nina nobathathu ngabe nihlala phansi nikulungisa izinto nobathathu
Uyayizwa into engikhala ngayo exactly into engikhala ngayo ukuthi 3 of them let's not separate them. If it's time to make peace, let's 3 of them come together, sit down and discuss these things. And behlukane kahle ngepeace umuntu ayihambela yozenzela into yakhe because as I said mina I'm not comfortable with them together. Mina kimi I think uJacinta noPhakela Mthakathi are okay together. But ungizwe no. But ke even bona uPhakela Mthakathi noJacinta if they decide ukuthi bazoyisebenzela ngendlela abasebenza ngayo behlangana la bahlangana khona it's okay, it's their decision. But to put ungizwe phakathi kwabo again no. But as umzimba Khalimalo esho ukuthi 3 of them, we know 3 of them together babehlangane bo 3 ukuthi size sibone lezinto esizibonile ama foreigner epakisha imithwalo yawo egoduka noma uJacinta emsuspendile ungizwe kwi-organization. But bekufanele ukuthi bebe ndawonye as South Africans, as amaZulu, as ama-patriots njengoba thina as ama-followers abo vele siyi-confused singasazi ukuthi kufanele ukuthi senze njani. At least beyokwenza into yokuthi sivuleke amehlo sibone ukuthi senze njani. Uyabona because khona abantu besebethatha ama-side ukuthi mina ngithatha iside la Jacinta, mina ngithatha iside la Phakela Mthakathi, mina ngithatha iside la ngizwe. Labo bantu if sekuxolelwana kanje bazoba kuphi labo bantu? Where is their position? Where must they stand right now? Bazochoose liphi side, especially laba bese side la ngizwe bengeke side la Phakela Mthakathi, abanye bese side la Phakela Mthakathi bengeke side la ngizwe. If sebexolelana ke bona njengamanje wena as umuntu obusuthatha iside uzoba ngakuphi? uKing zosucheme kwacaca ukuthi usesayidini la ngizwe. Kade ngibona few minutes ago epage lakhe esethi lezi insizwa ngithanda zo2. But a few days ago kusukela nje kuxatsheno nani uKing zosokade nongizwe kucaca bebhinqa bo2 bekhuluma izinto bephosa ama remarks bethreatenisha ukuthi bazokhuluma yonke leyo nto. But manje ngoba siyabona ukuthi ungizwe noPhakela Mthakathi bahlangene la bahlangene khona, they are trying to make peace. Usethi manje ubathanda bo2. Akekho ngazi ukuthi uKing Zoso bese sayidini la ngizwe all along. Ungizwe siyamazi sonke, akekho umuntu ongathi hawu inganawo ubuthi ungizwe uyimenemene kanjani. Akekho umuntu ongamazi ungizwe South Africa ukuthi vele ungizwe uyimenemene. But I can never take iside ngithi ngithatha iside la Phakela Mthakathi or ngithatha iside la Jacinta. Mina okwami as a patriot umuntu olwela izwe ngihamba naye. I don't have a problem with that. But umuntu ozokhosa i-confusion phakathi kwama-patriots loyo muntu vele kumina uyisitha. Angisoze ngaze ngayivuma leyo nto, especially kuzokhuluma kakhulu kuma social media ukhulume ngomuntu omunye your fellow South African usihlekise ngezitha all over the world ukuthi abantu besibona ama foreigner athi nje mayibona ungizwe ukhuluma kanje. every day ekhuluma ngoPhakela Umthakathi, and uPhakela Umthakathi akashona ukuthi even umuntu wesifazane uJacinta ukhuluma ngoJacinta, and umfazi womuntu lo akhuluma ngaye kanje.
Ayisengalizwe manje lento, isingani manje? Isingani manje lento? Akusengenzi ingeve. Ngoba ngisho kuthiwa khona abanikwa 10 million, niyadeserve vele ngomsebenzi eniwenzile. Nani South Africa lento yini yokuthi nivele nenze lento eniyenzayo. Laba bantu ufuna ngabe bayaxhaswa bobathathu. Xhaswe iMarshall Mase, kuqhashwe uNgizwe, kuxhaswe uPhakela. Bobathathu ufuna bayaxhaswa. Yithi ma South African. Kodwa ngoba sinje ngeke sikwenze lokho. Asifune ukuthatha amasayidi thina. Njengoba ngilapha kuPhakela izolo siklina lapha ePark. Ngisengaya futhi Ngizwe. Ngisengaya ngiMarshall Mash. Musani ukwenza ngathi lento ingani njengamanje nobathathu. Iyekeni lento eniyenzayo ngoba leyo khiphelana amafayili. Ngiyanitshela mina bukani ngeke iphethe kahle.
So guys, iwona-ke mina umbono wami loyo, iwona 50 cent wami engubekayo. Let's meet on a comment section. Sizwe wena owakho umbono ukuthi wena owakho umbono uthini without ukuthukana, ukukriticizana. Phela nje sihlangana kwi-comment section ngokuzobonisana ukuthi no, awuyibekanga kahle lana, no, wrong lana. Bekufanele ukuthi uthi sibonisane lapho, cause vele akekho umuntu oyi-expect kulezi zinto ezenzakalayo. Sonke nje siyabuka, thatha ngendlela yokuthi okay mina ngibona kanje nomunye uthi ubona kanje. Let's meet on a comment section, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Love you guys so much, and thank you so much for your support. Bye.